ESET team unveils proposals to reduce Jamaica's energy bill. More rural communities receive electricity. And Information Minister pays tribute to veteran journalist Claire Forrester. I'm Andrea Chisholm with your Jamaica House Weekly Update. The Electricity Sector Enterprise Team ESET, which was commissioned by Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller, announced on Wednesday that Jamaica could expect at least a 30% reduction in the cost of fuel by 2018. Energy projects, which will include new baseload generating plants, are expected to save the country $350 million. ESET Chairman Dr. Vincent Lawrence said several entities have presented proposals to build, own and operate new power generation and feedstock facilities to supply power to the national grid. These entities include the Jamaica Public Service Company Limited, Jamalco and Alpart.
We want to be sure that we're negotiating the best deals and various things. So we intend to have independent support to assist us and have those assessments done to satisfy ourselves that what we are recommending, what prices we are settling, what the various things are the best for Jamaica.
JPSCO's proposal includes using gas at its Bogue power plant by 2015 and changing over to liquefied natural gas at its Hunts Bay and Old Harbour plants the following year. Alpart is proposing to develop a gas facility in 2017, while Jamalco is expected to come on stream with its coal-powered cogeneration system by 2018. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller is moving ahead with the plans to provide electricity for more communities in rural Jamaica. This time around, 45 houses in Barry St. Catherine were hooked up to the national grid through a $6 million rural electrification program.
We have 97% coverage of rural electrification. I have indicated to the minister, I do not want 97%, I want 100% coverage. I know what it is for children to be doing schoolwork with a lamp. And I do not want the children of today to have to experience what we, the older ones, experienced in our time. And so I'm very happy that the children of Barry will no longer have to be using a lamp.
And the Prime Minister also focused on community empowerment in the past week. On Wednesday, she opened an IT resource and skills training center at Caribbean Palm Estate along Spanish Town Road in Kingston. She encouraged community members to take full advantage of the center.
This resource and skills training center is a good part of the plan. It is a people-oriented investment. Embrace it. Let it help to unleash your full potential. Technology is opening doors to job and investments. To benefit from these developments, we must be ready. Mastering information technology starts with understanding the basic use of our computer. It can transform your lives and move people out of economic difficulties towards economic well-being. If you know how to use a computer, you are better able to get a job and to do well in the job. Or you can use it to create your own job.
The Caribbean Palm Estate is the 182nd IT Resource Center built and equipped from the Universal Service Fund. Under the fund, 49 other centers are being built and 150 applications are being processed. The information arm of the Office of the Prime Minister OPM took a major step towards improving its communication with the people of Jamaica in the past week. Veteran journalist and former JIS CEO Huntley Medley was appointed director of the OPM's Communication and Public Affairs Division. Mr. Medley will be responsible for the management and operations of the division and will have oversight responsibility for news and public affairs, media monitoring and research, website and social media, public relations, as well as special projects and community outreach. Mr. Medley will also work closely with Information Minister Senator Sandria Faulkner to implement government's communications policy across ministries, departments and agencies. Information Minister Senator Sandria Faulkner has expressed condolences to family, friends and colleagues of journalist Claire Forrester, who died on September 15 in Florida. Senator Faulkner hailed Forrester as a giant of Caribbean journalism who was a sterling example of journalistic excellence and fairness. Minister Faulkner added that Forrester distinguished herself in all her endeavors, thereby making an indelible contribution to journalism. Senator Faulkner also stated that Forrester's endearing smile would be missed and cherished. The funeral for the late Claire Forrester will be held this Saturday, September 27, at the Webster Memorial Church at 10 a.m. And that's it for this week's edition of Jamaica House Weekly. Join us next time for more of the stories coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.